Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a smartwatch for kids, quite expensive to be honest. This is the imoo X10. It comes in this plastic box. Let's just open it up. On the back you have some information and the watch itself. It's quite a nice unboxing experience. Underneath you have like the booklet to read and the charging cable, and we're gonna need to charge it because it's a bit discharged. So this is how it looks like. And this is the smartwatch. Has a bit of a weird way that they put it in here. Let's see how I can remove this. So that's how it looks like. It's really nice. It has I think it's 2 cameras or 1. I think it's only 1, but yeah, this is the bracelet. I think it even fits me a bit. Let's see. Not much, but it's very premium. So very nice wristband, plastic in here, so it will avoid any damage. These are the sensors. This is made of plastic. Fortunately, these are not easy to replace. You have to unscrew them. Maybe they're done like this for a reason. Very nice and kind of like bulky. Let's just plug this in as well to charge it. I think it only goes into one way, and it starts already. Very nice display as well. This is a speaker grill button. I think that's the only button you get, and then in here is where you put a SIM. I think you have to push that out somehow. Now if it goes with one of this. So yeah, that's where you put your SIM. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it looks like it's charging. It's so weird that you can't put it that way. Has this nice feature when it's charging, and I've noticed that in the photos you could somehow lift it up. I think if you press this. So yeah, it has 2 cameras actually. One is in here and one is in there. So you can have it like when it's on your wrist. Very cool. Take a photo. I think you can fully remove it from here, if I remember well. Not sure exactly how you do that now. I think I've seen that you can fully take it out. I can see you can move this around. I don't know if you can take it out at this stage. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so you need to charge a bit. Let's see if we can make the most of the battery. So it shows the location and everything. At the moment it's locked, so you press this and then you slide up to unlock. As you can see, it says no network, shows battery percentage. If you press and hold, you can change this to other watch faces. You can even put photos. If you swipe from top down, as usual, it shows you the battery percentage, the volume, notifications, I guess. Oh no, to vibrate or not to vibrate. Has a flashlight. I think that's for this through the screen. Yeah. And What else? Long press to enter the volume control. Okay, so that's where you control all the volumes. I think if you long press you can control the brightness as well. And that's how high it goes. Okay, so swipe from down up, you can see steps, albums, recent, you can add phone numbers. If you swipe to the right, you get messages, bind the watch with the app, camera. I like how it sounds. Steps, you can download more apps, storage, you can have a dual, shake, messages, my info, stopwatch. So that's the display settings. To be honest, for a 200 and so pounds, I would have expected to see auto brightness. Flip settings, so you can set it to take photos when you flip to answer, flip animation. That's where you can connect to your Wi-Fi. So that's where you connect to your Wi-Fi. Notifications, software updates, Bluetooth, camera settings, front camera, so you can have it in standard or HD. Same for the rear one. Unlock settings, slide to unlock, no lock screen, unlock with password. That's really good. Accessibility, show on MBT Bluetooth devices, charging reminder, keyboards, so you can add keyboards, app management, mobile network, my devices. So it's running Kerim OS, Kermi OS. I think that's what they mean. Kermi OS, and then some information. This futuristic feature when you unlock it, and it's using the back camera. That's a really good quality camera, you know. You just tap to take a photo, and then I think if you press this, it also has anti-shake. Wow. If you press this, it will change to oh, he also has live photo. So I guess if you click on it, it moves a bit. Yeah, nice. Even zoom. Beautiful. So let's see how you. Okay, so if you swipe, it shows you the front camera. But yeah, really nice. And if you swipe, it even does a video. So let's just see. But the battery is gone. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I'm gonna charge it, test it, and yeah, let you know how it goes. But at the moment the battery is quite low,